Okay, so today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a super quick pasta dish. Literally, this sauce takes about as much time as the pasta does to cook. Now, this is linguine with a white wine garlic sauce. I actually decided to go with like thick and hearty spaghetti, so a little bit thicker spaghetti. Because again, it's the same goddamn recipe. It means less than nothing. Pasta's basically like Play-Doh when you were pushing it through that shape maker thing when you were a kid. So what we have here is a quarter cup of olive oil over medium heat, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and I'm just giving that a chance to warm up. Okay, and then you want to add 5 tablespoons of butter and let that melt up. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. And at some point, when everything gets all melted, add a half a cup of Pinot Grigio wine. Or whatever you prefer, but I would stay away from like Moscato, like a sweet white wine. Just whatever dry one you prefer. I just went with Pinot Grigio. And basically, that's it. That is the sauce. Literally just simmer it for like a minute to cook the alcohol out. I told you guys, it's really fucking simple. Okay, you can kind of see the finished sauce here. Like I said, it only takes a couple of minutes. Basically, the only thing you have left to do is just cook out the alcohol. And then to this, we're going to add about 12 ounces of spaghetti. You can go up to 1 pound, but I don't know. For this recipe, I felt like going 12 ounces. Should be more than enough to feed a family of 3 or 4. Okay, and then you just want to toss this around till it's coated. And that's pretty much it till we go to serve. Okay, as you can see, we've got our pasta all plated up in that wonderful white wine garlic sauce. And this is optional, but there's so few ingredients, you really do need this. It does add a bit of saltiness to it, and that is, you want to dust it with some Parmesan cheese, and then a little bit of chopped up fresh parsley. And that really is pretty much it. A little bit more cheese there. So that's pasta with a white wine garlic sauce. Done.